What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I want to share an unboxing with you. It's very, very special unboxing because I happen to win one of the drawings from a fellow collector and YouTuber that was hosting giveaway for 20K subscribers on his content on his channel. He did a giveaway, and I happened to win second place in his giveaway. So congratulations, Mike, for that 20K. I'm sure you're at well above 20K already. I've gotten your package, I say a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. It's just been so hot, and took me so long to do this video, but I want to let you know I did receive it, and we're going to do an unboxing of the giveaway that I've won through your channel. If you guys haven't subscribed to his channel, his link will be in the description. Click on it, follow him. His content is super awesome. Hunting videos, he does all kinds of stuff on all castings, not just Hot Wheels, Johnny Lightning, I mean, you name it, Muscle Machines, Green Light. I can't name them all, but he picks up what he likes, and he takes them out of the package and shows us and demonstrates on new product that he gets in his possession. So if you guys haven't followed him, check his channel out. Follow him, subscribe to his channel. His name is Mike, and I'll put his logo right here, and then his link will be in the description. So tag on it, follow him, and let's get this unboxing going. Let me move these cars out of the way. Because I'm not sure what I won. I actually forgot what the second place box was going to be. Actually, forgot. So we're going to do this unboxing right now. Bing. If you guys hear noise in the background, it's just my fan, because it's been so hot, and where I do my videos is always hot. So if you guys hear a funny noise, it's just my fan, nothing else. Nothing else. Okay. I don't want to go too deep. I'm so excited because I actually forgot what the second place winner got us getting. Okay, so we do have a keychain. That's super cool. Let me get this side here. Okay. My knife is dull. I gotta sharpen it, because look at it. They didn't even cut this paper. Okay, so first off, we got a keychain. That's cool. I think this is QR code. So you can scan this and go to his YouTube channel, I believe. That's super cool. Thanks, Mike. I do collect, I do use keychains. Thank you. Now this is from a drawing. I had to go through a lot of races, duck races and car races. I went up against a lot of people just to win this giveaway. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, got First thing on top. Oh, the 2025 Ferrari. Super clean. And you put it in a protector. Thank you so much. This is the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. I'm sure you guys will correct me. But nice. I haven't found too many Ferraris. I definitely haven't found the F40. That's for sure. Alright, let's take this nice packaging out of the box. Oh yeah, okay. We got some premiums that I do not have. As a matter of fact, one of these premiums I've been looking for. Oh yeah, this is a hard one to find. Oh yeah. Super stoked. And from the modern classics, it's the Nissan Skyline GTR 32 Pando. This is one of the hardest ones to find, guys. 1 of 5. This is one of the ones I've been looking for. I could never find this hanging at Walmart. Nice. Stoked to have this in my collection. Super stoked. Thanks, Mike. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to win. And then I got from Jay Leno's Garage this nice McLaren F1, which I believe I do not have. I don't think I have this one. This is 2 of 5. Yeah, I don't think I have this one. If I do, I probably have it in those. I have to look. I don't remember. But super clean. I have those. Awesome. What else did we get? Ooh, let me move this box. Oh, that's a lot in here. Okay. Let's see. Don't want to squeeze the cars. I don't have that much room in here either. I mean, my table is like small. So to unbox all this stuff, it's very tricky. Let's just say the least. Without knocking stuff over and bending the cards. Okay. We got this nice Mustang. 67 Mustang, and this black and silver deco from Muscle Mania. This is 3 of 10. Super clean. And we got another, Then and Now 2013 SRT Viper, and it's nice white with blue stripes down the center. I know the original color came in blue, I believe. Blue with white, I believe. That's super cool. And look at here, guys. Here we go. Another one of these. Black. I just picked one up. But can't go wrong with another. Nissan Skyline. I will pick them up if I see more of them. And this nice Subaru BRZ. I think I like it in white better than blue or yellow. Or is it red? I know it came out in yellow. I think it came out in yellow, blue, and red. But the white one looks the best. Especially with the chrome rims. Super cool. Sure glad to have that. Okay, that was package number 1. Ugh. Maybe I should get my knife. Be faster. Ping! Ping! Have you guys won any giveaways before? I think this is my second one. The whole time I've Alright, package number 2. Bundle number 2, I should say. That's in the packet. That's in the box. We got Blue Card. Dealer's Choice Series. Number 2 of the 4 cars. I do collect blue cards. This one looks really nice. This one is actually a Street Beast. King of the Road. It's all metal too. Metal base. This thing's heavy. So I do collect blue cards. I don't believe I have this. This is from what year? Where's the year? 1996. Super clean. So this will go in my blue card collection. And the second one, number 74, collector number 74, the 33 Ford. I remember this one. I've seen this one back in the day when I was collecting. This also has a metal base. 33 Ford. It doesn't say the series. It was 4 out of the 4. This is 96 as well. Oh, 2001. Older card. I remember those cards. I used to collect in the 80s, so I've seen these cards before. And I remember seeing this hanging at Walmart. Toys R Us, too, at that. So, glad to have that as part of my older cars. And we have a first edition shoebox, 2000 first edition. I do collect first editions, and I believe I have this whole series, all 36 cars. This is 26 out of 36. This is way before they start naming the cars what they actually were, because Mattel didn't really have the licenses to make the cars what they were. So they came up with names like Shoebox. Shoebox. But it looks awesome. Like the yellow with the orange flames with the purple windows. Yeah, 2000 first edition. This is the first time this casting came out in this colorway. So this will go on my 2002 first edition. 2000 first edition box. And then we have, looks like a JDM 2023 Nissan Z in this nice red. And I believe I have this one. This was from 2021. So yeah. This came out in multiple colors. So glad I have that one. And that's it for that pack bundle. Bundle number 2. Alright, got it unwrapped. Let's start with the number 1 car. Oh, here we go. Carne Asada. Now I believe this is the treasure hunt. Yep, there's a symbol right there, right back there. I was looking for this one actually. It's funny, as you know, this is part of the Fast Foodie series, 3 of the 5, and I was looking for this one. Cardisada is a treasure hunt for 2021. Yeah, okay. And for some reason, by the way it looks, because if you know, they do some awkward castings. Like this year, they had quite a few of them, and this one happened to be a treasure hunt for 2021, and couldn't find it. Even though ridiculous it sounds, people still picked them up. So glad to have this one. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've been actually looking for that one for sure. And then we have, oh yeah, the Lamborghini Countach police car. I remember this one as well, part of the Hot Wheel Rescue series. This came in various colors as well. This is also a treasure hunt, as you can see. There's the emblem right there. Super cool. I do call there's the emblem right there. I collect regular treasure hunts, so I'm glad to have this treasure hunt as well. And this was out of the year... What year? 2020. 2020. Remember 2020, guys? Man, that was long ago. 2020. Alright, and then we have this nice Datsun. Remember the Bluebird wagon? This was a treasure hunt. This is not a treasure hunt, but there's one that was the Super. And this is the regular mainline. But Bluebird wagon, can't go wrong with those. These are still popular as we know it. Second one, because I know I grabbed one of this in 2021. Yes, I have. I grabbed this as well. And then we have another blue card. It's a 57 Chevy. Color number 228. Really sharp looking. I like this color. The deco on this is really cool. It says Pro Speed right there above the fender. That is cool. And also a blue card. And this is from 1999. Oh yeah, the good old times. 1999. Comment down below if you guys were collecting in the 80s and 90s. Remember the castings back then? Yeah. Comment down below, guys. Let me know. And that's it for bundle number 3. And this is bundle number 4 out of the box, I believe. Or it might be 5. I don't know. I gotta recount because I lost count already. There's a lot in this box. Okay, we got it unwrapped. We got it unboxed. Let's check out the cars. There we go. I do have the Super of this one. I do have the Super for this one. This one's a very hard casting back then too. Come on, focus. The 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. Yeah. This is super clean. I do have one up there out of the package. I remember this one. This was from 2021. Man, it's been that long. I can remember just getting this one. Because I have it right here. I remember just getting this one. 2021. Wow. Time flies, guys. I do have a super of this one, though. I remember finding it. I was stoked when I did find it, too. I was like, yes. Okay. Car number... Oh, yeah. This is the... Okay. The 71 Dodge Charger. And this color. This normally came in white, I believe. Now we have it in red. I don't think I have it in this colorway though. Part of the Hot Wheel Art Cars. And this one's from 2021 as well. Welcome to the collection. Oh yeah, there's Volvo. Oh, there's 32 Volvo. Look like a Volvo. 32 BMW M3 in yellow. This is from 2021 as well. It's from the 90s. I remember this one. Yep, 2021. Clean yellow casting there. And here we go. The 2018 Camaro Super Sport in black. This was a Super back in this time too. This is the main line from 2021. There is a Super Treasure Hunt version of this back in this time frame. Dream Garage. Still nice to see it again. Okay guys, that was it for the box. I do have one more package here. Let's open this up and see what it is. Let me get this unraveled. Okay guys, so look at this. This is a custom. Let me tell you. This is a custom. Mike also customizes cars, and this is going to be my very first custom car from somebody. That's how we open it. And as you can see, I do have trouble opening boxes like this. My goodness, he put his name on there too. Can figure this out. Hang on. Check that out, guys. Details on this off the chart. Tail lights are done up really nice. I love the rims. Not blue, it's so nice. This is my first custom, Mike. Thank you so much. I hate to take, oh, I shouldn't have taken it off. Why did I do that? Because it's your first custom, Rob. You don't know what to do. That looks super sharp. Super sharp. Get this out of here. Because I'm going to display it as is. That looks really nice. and he signs the box. There you have it, guys. This custom is super awesome, and this is probably the best thing ever. I've never had a custom in my whole life. In my first custom. So follow his channel, guys, because he does giveaways, and his giveaways are top notch. And if you're looking for any kind of custom, or if you want him to do a custom for you, he'll do it for you. Just gotta ask. I'll leave his link to his channel in the subscription. Just go down and click the link and subscribe to his channel, and just interact with him. He's a cool dude from Florida, and yeah, he's very fun to watch. So thank you, Mike. Awesome. I'm glad I won. Can't wait to your next giveaway, because I'll be participating in that as well. Until then, I want to thank everyone that subscribed to the channel and follow, and just comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this giveaway. 20K, I'm sure he's well above 20K by now. And yeah, this one looks super clean. Follow him. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one. This is Hot One Madness, and I'll see you later.